નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Dear children, continuous of chapter number 10, subject social science, standard 10. One next topic is agriculture products of India. What they have to given the dear children? They have to given that agriculture products of India. It means Bharatni Krushi Pedaso. Production, it means Peda. Now, as per the season, the agriculture crop of India can be grouped into three categories. What they have to say that dear children? As per the season, the agriculture crop of India can be grouped into how many categories? In three categories. One is a Kharif crop, second one is a Rabi crop, and third one is a Zaid crop. Which three on the basis of three categories, the agriculture production of India was divided. One is a Kharif crop, second one is a Rabi crop, and third one is a Zaid or Zaid crop. Now, this is the most important question for the board examination, dear children. I repeat the same thing. This is the most important question for the board examination. Now, first of all, they have to given about the Kharif monsoon crop. Which one? Kharif monsoon crop. Monsoon, it means chomasu paka. Crop which are taken during the rainy season are called the Kharif crop. What is known as a Kharif crop, dear children? Kharif crop, it means the crop which are taken during which season? In rainy season. It is called as a Kharif crop. Time for this crop is from June, July to October and November. Dear children, in monsoon Kharif crop, the time for the crop is June, July to October and November. Now, here which kind of the crop are included in Kharif crop? Here paddy, maize, jowar, millet, cotton, til, groundnut, mug and mud are the Kharif crop. Which are the Kharif crop? First of all, paddy. Paddy, it means dangar. Maize, makai. Jowar, millet, bajri. Cotton, kapas. Til, tal. Groundnut, magphadi. And mug and moth are the name of the Kharif crop. They all are crop taken in which season? In monsoon season, and it is known as a Kharif crop. Second one is, dear children, Rabi crop. It means this Rabi crop was taken in which season? In winter season, and that is known as a Rabi crop. It means Siyadu Paka, and that is known as a Chomasu Paka. Crop which are taken during the winter. It means here the crop are taken during which season? In winter season, are called as a Rabi crop. Time for this crop is from October, November to March and April. Time for this crop is from October, November to the March to April. Here, now which kind of the crop was produced in Rabi crop? Wheat, gram, barley, mustard, linseed are the Rabi crop. Which one? Wheat, it means cow. Gram, chana. Barley, it means jaw. Mustard, rye. Linseed, ursi. This all are the name of the Rabi crop, and this crop which taken during which season? In winter season. Third one is Zaid or Jayad summer crop. Which one? Jayad in Gujarati, but in English we say Zaid. It means in summer crop, summer season. It means Unadu Paka. Crop which are grown during which season? In summer are called as a Zaid crop. Time for this crop is from March to June. Time for this crop from March to June. Paddy, maize, groundnut, til, millet, fruits like watermelon, cucumber, muskmelon are Zaid crop. Which crop was included in summer? It means Unadu Pak in Zaid crop. Paddy, dangar, maize, makai, groundnut, magphadi, til, tal, millets, bajri, fruits, fad, watermelon, tarbooj, cucumber, kakdi, muskmelon, shakkarteti. This all are the crop into the summer season. Now the major agriculture crop. Which one? Major agriculture crop. Major it means mukhya krushi pak. Due to the diversity in geographical condition, we know that in India we have a diversity in geographical condition, different climate, varieties of the land, and the amount of the rainfall. Different crop are grown in the different parts of India. Due to the diversity in geographical condition, climate, variety of land, the amount of the rainfall of the different crops are grown in the different part of India. Dear children, now this is the whole chart of the major agriculture products of India. First of all, what they have given there? They have given the major agriculture product of India. It means ભારતની મુખ્ય કૃષિ પેદાશો. ભારતની મુખ્ય કૃષિ પેદાશો. Now this is the one kind of the chart. They have to given food grain, pulses, oilseeds, beverages, cash crop, condiments, fruits and vegetables. Now we have to study one by one. First of all, they have to given about the food grains. Food grains, it means dhanya pak. Which one? Dhanya pak. First, they have to given about paddy. Paddy, it means dangar, wheat, ghau, juwar, millet, bajri, maize, makai, barley, jawar. These all are the name of the food grain, and already after we will study in detail also. After they have to given about the pulses. Pulses, it means kathod. First they have to given about tur, it means tuver. Second one mug. Third one gram, it means chana. Peas, vatana. Bean, val. Mott, adad, and lentil. Lentil, it means masoor. These all are the name of the pulses. It means kathod. That are the major agriculture products of India. After they have to given about the oil seed. Oil seed, it means telebia. In telebia, they first of all given about groundnut. Groundnut, it means magphadi. Til, it means tal. Soya bean. Castor. Castor, it means eranda. After they have to given about the mustard. Mustard, it means sarsav. After they have to given about sunflower, suryamukhi. Coconut, they have to given nariyeli. And last one, they have given about linseed. Linseed, it means odashi. Now beverages. Which one? Beverages. Beverages, it means peena. First they have given about tea, it means cha. Coffee, and third one is a cocoa. After cash crop. Cash crop, it means rokadiya pak. First cotton, kapas. Sugarcane, sherdi. Jute, sono. Tobacco, tamaku. Rubber. After they have given about the condiments. Condiment, it means aushadhiya masala pak. Which one? Condiments, it means aushadhiya masala pak. First they have given about cumin seed. Which one? Cumin seed. Cumin seed, it means jeeru. Second one, they have given about fennel. Fennel, it means variyadi. Third one, isabgul. After coriander, it means dhana. After fenugreek. Which one? Fenugreek, methi. After ajmo. Which one? Ajmo. Next one is a black pepper, kala mari, जिसे हम तीखा भी कहते हैं. And last one, garlic. Garlic, it means lasan. These all are the name of the aushadhiya masala pak. It is known as a condiments. Next one, they have to given about the fruits. You know very well about the food. Mango, king of fruits. Banana, keda. Here mango, keri. Banana, keda. Chiku, papaya. Grapes, દ્રાક્ષ, જુજુબે, બોર, apple, સફરજન, guava, જામફળ. Also you have to include the name of fruits also. Here they have given about the name of the vegetables. Which one? Vegetables, શાકભાજી. First potato, batata, brinjal, રીંગણા, onion, ડુંગળી. You can also include tomato. Here not given, but you have to include also the other name of the vegetable. Here fruit, same way. So here brinjal, રીંગણા, onion, ડુંગળી. After you include tomato also. But here not given. After bottle gourd, it means dudhi, turia, Lady's finger, it means bhinda. Here cabbage, kobi, cauliflower, it means cauliflower, and the various spinach, spinach, it means vivid bhaji. It means this is the whole chart of the major agriculture product of India. And you also include the names of the crop which are produced into the India, but these all are the given the name of the major agriculture product of India. Now first of all they have to given about the food grains. It means food grain. Already we learn in the chart in this portion. Food grain, it means dhanyapa. Grain are cultivated in about 75% of the total area. What they have to say that whatever the grain is there, this grain are cultivated near about 75% of the total area shown, and about 50% of the total production come from the grain side. It means the total production come from the grain. How much? 50%. Major food grain are as follow. Here they have to given in detail of the major food grain. First of all, dear children, they have to given about the paddy. Paddy, it is also known as dangar, and you have to say in Gujarati rice. It means bhat, chokha. What? Paddy, rice. It means chokha, dangar, and this is the most important question for the board examination. I am repeat, rice, another name is a paddy. This is the most important this is the most important question for the board examination, dear children. Now paddy is our most important crop, dear children. What they have to given that paddy, it means rice is our most important crop, and paddy you have to say also the dangar. A large majority of the world and about the half of the population of India uses the rice. What they have to say that the majority of the world as well as about the half population of India use the rice, bhat, chokha. India stands second in the world. India stands second in the world after the China in paddy production. What they have to say that India stands second in the world level after the China in the production of the paddy. It means rice. Paddy is sown our 1/4 of the total sown area. What they have to say that, dear children? They have to say that paddy is sown our the 1/4 of the total sown area, and paddy is a crop of torrid zone. Paddy is a crop of which zone? Torrid zone. Torrid zone, it means उष्णकटिबंधीय क्षेत्र. Hot and humid. Hot, it means garam. Humid, you know very well that bhejwadi zameen. It means humid climate. Minimum temperature of 20 degrees Celsius it required. Fertile alluvial soil is required. Which one? Fertile alluvial soil, and more than 100 centimeter rainfall are necessary. How much? Near about more than 100 centimeter of rainfall are necessary for the more production. In the region of the less rainfall in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, this crop is taken through the irrigation. What they have to given there? They have to given there in the areas where the less rainfall, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, this crop is taken through the irrigation. Irrigation, it means from Sinchai Paddhati. More human labor is necessary for the paddy cultivation. It means whenever the cultivation of the paddy, it requires the more human labor. West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Bihar, Orissa are the major paddy production state. Dear children, they all are the name of the state who produce the major paddy production. The crop is taken 2 or 3 times in the West Bengal. What they have to say that, dear children? The crop is taken 2 or 3 times in the West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha and Tamil Nadu. In Gujarat, paddy is grown in, now they have to given about the information of the Gujarat state. In Gujarat, where it is produced. Gujarat, the paddy is grown in Surat, Tapi, Panchmahal, Ahmedabad, Kheda, Anand and Valsad district. These all are the major main district of the production of the Gujarat of the paddy, rice. Paddy require the more water. Dear children, what they have to say that paddy require the more water. However, instead of keeping the paddy field fully under the water, what they have to say? However, instead of keeping the paddy field fully under the water, paddy is grown by irrigating through the sprinkle. Sprinkle, it means fuvaro, using the less water. What they have to say? That paddy is grown by irrigating through the sprinkle using the less water. Dear children, here the image of the paddy cultivation is there, and this is the important image also for the board examination. Be careful. See this image of the paddy cultivation. It means ડાંગરની ખેતી. It means paddy, it means ચોખા. It means this is the most important topic for the board examination. Thank you for joining us.